Hi, we are submitting under Pillar 3 Thriving Families, Problem 2. At the kickoff session, Jackie Hale said three words that became our entire brief: People Data Portal. And she said she wants it for a job so bad. So I had to make it. And that's the problem, right? Every maternal health organization, every city department, every nonprofit in Richmond, they download the same five government data sets, VDH, census, VDOE, etc., in different formats, and then shows up to meeting with like different metrics. Nobody is working from the same denominator anymore. Grant packs get rebuilt from scratch every cycle. Equity gaps sit buried in spreadsheets nobody has time to dig through. And budget decisions, generally, they get made on vibes. This is RVA People Data. It's got 173 verified indicators, 7 official sources, all in one place. It's race disaggregated by default, it's Virginia benchmarked, and export ready. A maternal health analyst can just simply open this, find Richmond's preterm birth rate, 12.4%, by the way, next to the Virginia average, source cited, and be done in 3 minutes instead of 3 hours. Let me show you how it works and what it can provide. We have 4 tabs: health, population, poverty, education. Each of these tabs have their own subdivisions: adolescent health, birth outcomes, HIV, infant mortality, and so on. Each of these have their own data sets, that is, have their own graphs, have their own data formed. Let me show you the general view of this. And this is a snapshot of the equity snapshot, or I would say the disparity snapshot. And it gives an instant glimpse into the disparity between the different races and the different races in the community. Let's go to another interesting feature that I love, which is describe a chart you want to see. Now, based on the indicators that you have seen here, you can actually create a custom graph. Say you want to compare the poverty and you also want to compare the population of the Black community. Okay, let's build a chart for that then. Oh, there's no indication for that. Let's just do a basic poverty and population. So this creates a poverty rate and population comparison, and it shows the data source as well, and the time it's taken in. And also, if you notice, it's 2 out of 5 requests. A person can create up to 5 graphs within an hour, and it's session limited. So if they come back in an hour, they can generate up to 5 graphs. And all of this data will be created based on the data which is present inside our portal, not external. It doesn't hallucinate, it doesn't web search for any data, everything within our system itself. Let me show you another interesting one, which is data packs. We are offering 2 tiers of data packs absolutely free, but it helps in segmentation. We have standard and we have the complete. Complete gives the entirety of the database which is there in our system. Of course, we can tweak it to customize what kind of data we need to download. And the standard gives the domain data that we select. For example, if I want health data and I click download, I get all the health data possible. Let me show you another feature that I'm very interested in, which is the About section. And if you go into the About section, you can actually connect our data portal to your Claude via an MCP connector. Let me show you how it's done. You copy this link, and then you go in here, and then you pick connectors, and then you go and connect it. It's already connected for you, by the way, but all you have to do is just connect it into your system. Let me show you in action. I'm just going to ask this question, makes it easier. So what it's going to do, it's going to load up our tools that I have created, 4 tools that allow you to search through our system right here. And this entire search history is actually created by looking through our tools. And this is an MCP client connection that's being made. Let's go back. Right. Now, it also has multiple pipelines where you can actually upload CSV files for now, but we can extend it to like Tableau images or PDFs in general. You can upload it and it will just pass through the PDF, create the data set, and add it as one of the public indicators. And how can you do it? We have an admin portal where you can log in. It's a password. It has to be authenticated. Now, for now, this is a very simple password protection. I haven't exactly developed through it, but we can make it more stronger. And once a person logs in here, he can actually click on one of the files to browse. For example, I'm selecting a file right here, and all he needs to do is just map the CSV file to the name, and that's about it, and it's sent. This will be added as a metric into our system easily. We also have an yearly basis in our GitHub. We have a GitHub Actions workflow setup, which does an yearly revision of API calls for Census ACS, as well as CDC Wonder, CDC Places, etc., and updates them automatically over a period of 1 year. So those are our automation workflows, and I'm also going to be uploading the site so you can have a blast at it. Thank you.